EURJPY, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. As we can see, based on daily chart, we want to see whether we can look into the as a correction relative to this, and can we expect the price to drop and take this low at, all right? Or the another option is this move is finished and this is the start of the up move with this correction, but as you can see, this one dropped quite a lot, all right? And if we compare these two, we move to indicators, we will see we had the divergence and as well here. Okay, but we cannot rely on that because already, as we can see, the market move. All right, now we want to see which direction, up, or we can expect the price drop some more. All right, as we can see, based on forward chart, we have a correction here. What I can say right now, we don't have trade set over there for sell or buy. What we want to do, we want the market, when the market open, we see what we will get here. Then from there we can make a decision how we can trade it, because mostly if we see the price move similar to what I'm drawing here, mostly we can expect one move down, at least the price come to this low. All right, but as I say, we don't have trade set up. If I put my trend line here, okay, that means we want to see what will happen within this range. Whether we get a correction for the down move or we will have a buy setup. And now the question is whether we need to buy within this range, or we want the price to break the trend line, give a trade setup to this, the price, to this top. Buying within this is like, I cannot say we don't buy or we buy. The best is if the price break the trend line, but if there is any opportunity within below the trend line, still we can look into it. But anyway, we need to see what we will get here. All right, if I move to 1 hour chart, if I put back this one here, if I move to 1 hour chart, all right, one more things. As we can see, we have a small correction here. How about if the market open, we will have this correction, all right, then the price drop. Okay, from what we have, all right, we can from what we have, the only way is having entry below this. If we have this small correction, when the market open, when we, all right, as I say, maybe we get a small correction, the price drop. But if we get that trade, what we expect the price come to this level, all right? And what I want to say, because we were not sure the price come here can continue or reverse, all right? And buying from this small, selling from this small correction, the only way we can have entry below this. But it depends on the traders whether they want to take or not. But for me, I won't suggest it. This is in case when the market open, the price can drop and continue. Okay, as I say, we want to wait and see what we will get from this correction. Then from there we can trade it. And again, if the market start to correct similar to what I'm drawing here, mostly that's when we get a correction. Mostly we will sell, and what we want is the price to break this trend line and continue. Price break this line. All right, and as I say, for buy, if we want to buy, the best option is we wait for the breakout of the trend line. But how about if we get any buy below this line? Do we need to buy or not? What I can say, again, it depends on what we get here. And if you want to buy, I won't buy here. I let the price come to this high, drop. Then if I get any buy setup at the low, then I will take it with the stop loss below this. Then when the price move, as long as come to near to this trend line, we start to manage it. I won't buy within this range as well. Okay, anyway, right now we don't have any trade setup whether for buy or not. All depends on what we will get here for next week, because the possibility of getting buy or sell, both of the possibility there is. We will have both of the possibility. All depends on what we will get here. Anyway, we just follow the chart when the market open. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.